Alright, what's up guys? So we're back, Sad Boy Garage, Dope Tarman, my 30 other names and aliases in case I ever get a Fed charge. Ugh, I can't speak English today. So today's video, you guys know we got the new AP2. I figured, why not? This was like something I kind of wanted to see because I used to see it all the time on the discussions. Like, what are like the top like 3 like difference makers or like, not really mods, but like little changes you can make to your S2000 for like 50 bucks or so that would help like overall the look appeal and somewhat like make a difference in the car. So I'm gonna do that for you guys today. All together, all this stuff is like under 50 bucks and it's all available on Amazon, so pretty great. So let me discuss it real quick and then we'll go install it in the car. The reason I'm not doing this in the garage right now is because it's super windy outside, so I don't want wind noise. But here we go. First things first. If you don't know what this is, you probably still have the shitty amber ones. But these are the clear ambers for the side markers for the S2000 for the fender. Big difference on pretty much any S2000 because the bronze ones or the amber ones are not really that great, but these, they make the car pop out a little bit. Yeah, pretty much every color this is great for. No matter like any S2000 color you have, this works great. The second thing is cabin air filter, because 90% of the time nobody changes this shit out and your car smells like ass and you're like, oh, why does it smell like ass? It's not because you've been eating ass, no shit. But no, this cleans out pretty much all that. Always good because nobody ever does this in the maintenance for some reason. Change out the cabin air filter. This was like, I want to say like 12, 13 bucks. Well worth it. I'll put the link for this below too. And then interior LED lights. This is like 6 bucks. And this makes a world of difference because if you know the Honda bulbs inside of the dome light, they're not bright and half the time they're cutting out because that board has corrosion on it. So I'm gonna show you guys how all that works today. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so first thing we're gonna do is install the cabin air filter. Most of you guys are just like, okay, where is it at? Pretty simple. Pop this secondary clip also. It's all tucked under this tray up front here. So pretty much get it over. There you go, pops right out. As you can see, I lost one of these clips right now, but it's fine. I know where it's at. It's right here. Great thing is these don't really break that easily, so you can put a little force behind it, you'd be good. And then right down here is the cabin air filter. It's literally tucked back there, and you can see this is dirty. No one cleaned this, like I said. So pretty simple. Just pop out the old one. So see if I can get it to break off. Okay, so you're pretty much just gonna lift up, just let it come out from bottom. Yeah, pretty much that. All right, let's go ahead and insert this new one. Alright, bam, fresh, pretty easy, just let it trace in the groove, so should fit right in, just as the old one. Actually, I think this one comes out at the top, does it? There we go. There we go. Kinda gotta make it crush a little to fit. Oh, shoot, maybe I did this wrong. Let me check. Yep, never mind. It goes into the bottom. I'm stupid. It goes into the bottom. Bam, all set. Just place it back in the same old way. You got it out. There we go. So you kinda gotta like shove it a little bit, make it work down there. Then just push your push ties back in up here for the seal that runs across the top. Because yeah, Honda put it in a really shitty location. It's back there. You'll see it once you change it, but that's one of the few things I'm saying to do on this. If you barely got your car, definitely one of the first few things you should check out to do is change the cabin air filter. So let's get to the next one. Alright guys, so the next one is the side markers. It's pretty easy to pop these off. They come out. If you push towards the front of the car, it's gonna snap this little ring. It'll come out. If you want to do it carefully, you can drag your hand up through the fender liner and push against this and it squeezes out. Me personally don't really care because I'm never gonna go back, so I usually just snap the fronts off and then chuck these, or if somebody wants to run them, they can run them again, just put some 3M behind them. Me personally don't really care, so let's see, let's find the right one for this side. Oop. So you're gonna get something like this versus this. Obviously, big difference here. Obviously this is it, because you can see this is unsnapped right there on the front, so it's gonna look great once I get that in. So basically just turns out. Just go ahead and pop this sucker in over here. Just give me a sec. Shoot. See, you can never find the hole. There we go. Turned it in, it locks. Flip back around, make sure it goes in the right direction. Let me just double check actually, because I think this one actually might be it, just because of the way it snaps in. Let me just triple check. Part of me feels like it might be this one. I usually just check how the line tries to bend itself, so if it bends in the same direction, it's usually I got it backwards. Okay, so yeah, this was actually it. I put that in backwards, funny enough. So slide this in from the back corner and then click it in. Bam. So you can now see the difference here. The side marker versus when you had this boring side marker. Night and day difference right here.
Right, yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
As you guys can see, this is the old LED setup right here. Not really much. You see when it flickers sometimes, like, I know I'm pressing it and moving it and stuff. If yours flickers, there's a board you gotta clean. I'm gonna show you guys right now when we take this apart. So let's turn this off and... Alright guys, so it's pretty simple. You're gonna wanna look up here. There's gonna be a groove where you can slide in a flat head. In my case, I'm trying to figure out where it's at. I think, oh, right here. So it's right here. There's two grooves in the back you can slide out with. There's one here, and one. I don't know why this mirror is so up here. I think this fell off at one point because this is not supposed to be this close. But like I said, I'd show you guys everything because, you know, same struggle I went through, you'll probably go through. I feel like they redid this. There we go. Bam. Cover piece is off. So what you're going to want to see now is... What you're going to see now is this up here. So if you take off this screw, this whole assembly will drop down right here from these two. You can pull it down. There's gonna be a board. It's gonna have 6 contact points. If you want to clean that, use some 91 isopropyl alcohol. It'll basically dry up right there and pull off all the shit on the board. And that's the best way to clear that, so your lights will very shine, no dim. For some reason, it looks like somebody might have done these already, just because they're not flickering like as bad as my other car was. So those are good. And then we just swap out these LEDs. This is the easy part. They're just pulling off. This one, you're gonna want the board side, or you're gonna want this backwards right here down, because you know that's the actual LED light there. And this one. Okay. There's 2. There's also enough in here for you to do the tail light or the license plate light, which I'll show you guys in a sec. If you guys want to do the license plate light as well. I've done both just for the heck of it. Right now you want to test. Me, I'm good. I know this is gonna work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick these back in. Yeah, that's kind of arrogant, but you know. Oh man, look at that. Arrogance bit me in the ass, huh? Alright, well that's a fail. Let's take a look. Where did I go wrong with life? I guess it's true. You gotta always test everything. Don't ever put everything back together before testing it. So for some odd reason, this one's shorted out, it looks like, or doesn't work. So I'm gonna just go ahead and shut this off and try to pull it. Oh, shit, lost it. No problem, there's like 7 in here. Let's test how this one works. What the hell? This is so odd. Apparently this one doesn't work either. This works, so that's brighter now. Okay, so what's going on here? I wonder what happens if I put the old light in. All of a sudden, huh? It's odd. I'm not supposed to do it like that, but I might just have to, just to see what's going on here. Oh, okay, so there's a directional side. Apparently if you don't put it in the right direction, it won't turn on. Did not know that. It's kind of new. Because the other LEDs I had bought were, I guess, multi-sided or whatever. Because when I put them in my other AP2, they worked fine. So let's see. There you go. Okay, now I can put this cover on. See guys, fail on camera. But I'm gonna show you guys because, you know, then you guys don't get questioned like, oh, what happened? Why did it work for him and not for me? And I'm gonna show you guys my fails on camera. And vice versa. So, come on. There we go. Slap that back on. Bam. Night and day difference right there. So, big little mod for this car is that right there. Well, nonetheless, that's how I like to end my videos, on a fail. So, yeah, why not? Let's leave it on a fail. So, that was a failure. We'll get to it next time. We'll get it next time, boys. But, yeah, that was it. Sad Boy Garage. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. And probably this week, maybe Friday, I'll upload a video of removing the soft top because, yeah, we got a hard top on the way. So, peace.